Last weekend, I taught an incredible course on Izzatov's Secret Rejuvenation Massage, a rapid facelifting technique that naturally restores youthful skin, firmness, and glow. And let me tell you, the results were amazing. But that's not all. Everyone in the course also got to try my exclusive collagen cream, and they absolutely loved it. Why? Because it's made with pure natural ingredients that actually penetrate the skin, restoring elasticity and volume without harmful chemicals. And now I want you to experience this transformation for yourself for free. On April 4th, I'm hosting a free online presentation where I'll reveal the real secrets behind facial rejuvenation, how to naturally tighten and lift your face, no injections, no surgery, why my collagen cream is a game changer for anti-aging skincare. Spots are limited and people are already signing up, so if you want naturally younger looking skin, click the link, sign up now, and join me on April 4th for this exclusive free event. Don't miss this chance to transform your skin. See you there.